Assalamu alaikum, my students and my crochet family. In this video I will show you how you can make easily pin cushion by using single crochet. And so we will need yarn. You can use any leftover yarn. Like I have used this leftover yarn, polyester filling, one tapestry needle, scissor, and crochet hook as you like. I have 2.5 crochet hook crochet hook. You can use according to your yarn thickness. Okay, let's start. In my previous videos I have showed you how to make basic foundation chain, and how to make single crochet. For pin cushion, we will make our pin cushion in this size. In this size we will make chain of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Make a single crochet into the third chain from the hook. From the hook, this is chain 1, chain 2, and this is our third or chain 3. Now insert your hook, yarn over and pull up the loop like this. Look at this, we have 3 strands on our crochet hook. Now we will make them 2. Okay, yarn over, pull up the loop and make 2 stitches. Now make one from these 2, yarn over and pull up the loop. Yarn over, pull up the loop. Put two strands, put 2 strands on your crochet hook. Now we have total 3 strands. We will make them 2 like this. Yarn over, pull up the loop and make 2 stitches. Now we call them stitches, not strands. Now we will make 1 stitch using yarn over and pulling the loop. Look, we have 4 single crochet in total on our chain 11. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't lose your grip from your pattern, or don't lose your grip on the chain. Now we have 9 single crochet, and this last one is our 10 single crochet. Now pull this loop. We have successfully completed our round 1. When you many times student ask me a question that which side is our right and which is the wrong. Then remember one thing, this this loop where we start our pattern, it will be always at the left hand of when we crocheting, it will be always at our left side. This is the right side of our pattern, and when we turn the pattern, this is our wrong side of the pattern, any crochet pattern. Okay, now as we have successfully complete our round 1, now we will start our round 2. Make chain 1, turn your work and count the stitches. 1, 2, and this one is third stitch. Insert your hook in the third stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the third stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop and make one single crochet. Again, insert your hook in the next hole, yarn over, pull up the loop and make one single crochet. Repeat it till the end. At the end I will show you how you will pick your last stitch on your crochet hook. I will meet you at last stitch. Continue crocheting. This is our second round, and this is second last stitch. In the last stitch we have again put 2 strands. Look, we will put 2 strands on our crochet hook, then yarn over and pull up the loop. Now we have 2 stitches on our crochet hook. Make them turn them into one stitch, and this is our last single crochet. Continue crocheting until you reach your square like this. You will make 2 patches of square single crochet like this. Now I will meet you when I will reach this last loop or last stitch, and then I will show you how many rounds I have make in this square. Okay, chi. Now we have make almost 10 rows or 10 rounds, and I am in the third last stitch of our last round. This is round 10. This is our second last, and this one is our last stitch of this patch. Now make one chain 1, I want to teach you a simple formula for single crochet square. As I teach you this, we will make 10 single crochet into the chain 11. As we have 10 single crochet in our first round, when we make 10 rows or 10 rounds using single crochet, we will got a square shape patch. You can also count them in as I am showing you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one is our row 10. Now we will close it. Okay, cut, close, and then we will fasten off here, and then we cut such a long loop here, Okay, now we will close our pattern here like this. Pull up the loop. We have two square pattern for our pin cushion holder. This is also our right side, and this is our right side. Now we'll sew them. Right side should be outside of the pattern at the both sides. Now we will sew it using tapestry needle. Join the both sides. First of all, join the ends of both sides, then join the each round of both sides. Insert your hook at round 1 and sew your cushion like this. Then go the other round and sew it again, round 3rd. Don't forget to hold them together. There are many ways to sew the two patches, but as this is a video for new learners or beginners, so I am told you the easiest way to sew the both patches with our tapestry needle. We can also sew them or join them with our crochet hook. I will show you this method into next video. When you're sewing the both patches, remember one thing, that extra loop should be inside the pattern. Look. Now sew the both ends. These are our first rounds. This is our previous chain 11. Sew the, hold them like this, then pick stitches from both sides and sew them in this way, like this. I will meet you at the end of this corner. Okay, in this corner we have also an extra loop. Again hide it into the body or into both patches and sew the corner tightly. Continue sewing like this. Now I will meet you here. Okay, now we are reach at our third corner. Again hide the extra loop into the body. Sew the corner tightly. Continue sewing with your tapestry needle and sew at least 5 stitches from the both sides. Okay. Now we will fill our pin cushion with polyester filling. Push it inside with your scissor. Fill it tightly. Now sew our leftover 5 stitches. Or 4 stitches. Again sew the corner tightly. Now hide this extra loop into the body with the help of your tapestry needle like this. Look, look, your cute and small pin cushion holder is ready. Now I will show you how you can place your pin into this pin cushion. Look. This is very useful thing for crocheter. You can also uh, hold and save your tapestry details, even your crochet hook here. If you like my video and learn any useful thing from my video, please do subscribe, share and do comment.